Hi guys, welcome back to She Believed. So what's probably going to happen is I'm going to make a lot of videos and you guys are going to see them till like the weekend because I don't get Wi-Fi that often. So today I'm doing school. How fun is that? Right now I'm reading this wonderful book called the Bible. I have to memorize. Fun. Yeah. Alright. So this is my schedule. I'm a little bit behind. So I have 1, 2, 3, today's Thursday, 3 days of work to do because I'm a little behind because I've been doing a bunch of stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. I thought it'd be cool so you guys could see what it's like to have an homeschool life. Finally got to it. I've done all that. Done all that. Done all that. Oh, I'm not done with this page. This must be what I was working on. I know, Washer. I know you're done. I know. Got it. So this is what I do for math. I use me a calculator because it's difficult and complicated. And I also use this magical, wonderful little sheet called the multiplication chart. It's actually quite easy to memorize. These are all the numbers you times it by, and also on the top. So if you say you want to do 1 times 5, well, there's a 5 right here. If I don't cover it up, there's a 1 right here. So what you would do is you go all the way down to 5. That'd be 5, but everybody knows that. So let's say 5 times 7. That's 35. Simple as that. And it's amazing because I don't know my multiplication charts, even though I should. I know some of them, not all of them. And then my mom wants me to read some classics instead of what Abeka gives me. So I'm reading Heidi. I have Bible. I read Heidi. I do math. I do history, science, literature, spelling, grammar. I gotta memorize poems. I'm really good at memorization. Me and my sister both are. We've gotten quite good at it. Actually, very quite good at it. Look at my little library. Isn't it so cute? Now they'll be quiet. You want to see my doggy? My doggy is so cute. Come here, Taki. Come here, Kentucky. Get up here. Get up on my bed. Come on. Come on. You can do it. No, you can't. Okay. There you go. So, Kentucky, I want you to say hi to the camera. This is my puppy. Well, not really a puppy. He's a year old. He's a Chihuahua. He's very tiny, as you can tell. Like, this is my hand on him. You want belly rub? Anyways, isn't he adorable? He's a year old. He was born on April 1st on Easter, too. The year before that. It was April 1st on Easter. His name's Kentucky. Since I was born in Kentucky, so you know, Kentucky. Yeah. Anyways, I don't do much, really. I mean, I'm doing math. That's something interesting. I'm basically doing this for myself, not really for publicity. I mean, I don't really have problems with being famous or anything like that. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. I'm trying to find me a pencil. I have stuff drug out everywhere. Jeez Louise, where did I put my pencil? It was just here. No, it's not in my piles and piles of books. Pencil. So all the books that I'm going to be reading this year is Heidi, which I've started reading, and it's a really good book. I'm going to read Robin Hood. I'm going to read Black Beauty. And I'm going to read Robin Crusoe, whatever that is. I've heard of Black Beauty, and I've heard of Robin Hood, and I've actually even heard of Heidi, but I never heard of Robin Crusoe. Whatever it is, they're all good books, evidently. I can't find a pencil anywhere. This is very annoying. This is the book I was talking about that I started writing. It's my little book that I write my little things in. I have 10 pages. If you want, I could read one page to you. Yes? Okay, I'll read one page to you. This is January 17, 1934. Dear love, I have found it in my heart I have missed you more than ever. Me and the children are anxious to hear from you. This is my third approach to see if you are well. It must be very hard to find postage in the Niagara Falls. I hope nothing happened to the ship. I pray no harm has come to you. Virginia has found a partner. They even might get married. William is still short as a wee bean. Ruth is swell, she said. She might have a ball at school. And I am missing you a whole mighty lot. Your love, Dorothy. That was the wife writing her husband. Virginia, William, and Ruth are their 3 kids. Virginia's the oldest. She's like 19. William's the middle child. He's like 8. And Ruth is the youngest. She's a toddler. She's like 5. Yeah, and then the next one is him writing her back, and just back and forth, and one even where the son William writes his father, and just, it's a good story so far. I like it pretty good. I'm satisfied with what I've been writing, but I wish I could write more into it if I didn't have all this. Okay. Who else agrees with me that geometry is the dumbest thing that ever existed? I learned all my shapes in preschool. I don't need to learn them again. I like algebra. Now, I know a lot of people do not like it. But what algebra I have done, it's easy to me because if you look at it in a certain way, you could get it done easier. Maybe I just need to start talking to a camera whenever I do my school, and I'll be able to get it done and understand it myself, because half the time I don't even understand it. And now I'm trying to make it seem like I understand, but I really don't. Oh, goodness me. Almost finished. That's interesting. No. Dang it. I can't find a pencil. There has to be one somewhere. Somewhere. Maybe in this drawer. There's a pencil in the midst of all that. I found a pen, but I need a pencil because it's math. Books. laptop, walkie-talkie, a box. No pencil. Like literally, I'm going on a hunt for a pencil. Like this is our new conquest. We are looking for a pencil. I found another pen. Like what? Let me get this laptop out of the way. How do I have so many pens but no pencils? Like that's a big question. Hey, I can use that. Pencil. Oh, an eraser too. It's one of those smelly erasers. It's a strawberry scent. Works for me. So let me get my little paper out. Where did my calculator go? Oh God, it's safe. So I got an eraser, I got a pencil, I got a calculator, I got a sheet, I got everything I could possibly need for this book. And a phone. Now I can only make my videos short because I figured out that on YouTube it won't let you post videos over 15 minutes. I don't know how to fix it where you can, because I see videos on there that are hours long and 20 and 30 minutes and I'm like, how does that? And I don't know, but 15 minutes works for me. Let's see here. We got fractions and numbers and fractions. So we got 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 11. Why is it 7 1/3 plus 7 1/3? Like, look at that. 7 1/3, 7 1/3. How does that work? No, I have no idea. This is fun. I'm going to start making videos of me. No, I broke my lead. Alright, let's see here. 5, 3, and 15. Well, 3 into 15, 3 into 5, 15. Okay. 15, 3, and 5. 5. Does 3 go into 5? No, 3 does not go into 5. Does 5 go into 15? Of course it goes into 15. 3 times. Yeah, it goes into 15 3 times. What's the odds of that? Okay, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 goes into 15, 5 goes into 15, so 15 is going to be the bottom line. So what you want to do for a problem like this where it's adding and see the denominator, I think is what it's called, of the fraction. If you see that they're all different, then you can't keep it like that. So you're going to want to put little equal signs is what I like to do. Gives it more pizzazz or whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to want to put all the whole numbers over. Dang it, that does not look like a 7. This is difficult with one hand. Usually I always... Okay, this eraser's correct. There we go, I think. So 11, 7, 7, 6. And then the bottom of all the fractions have to be the same number. So I'm making them all 15 because 3 goes into 15 and 5 goes into 15. So, like I said, this sheet is very handy for stuff like that instead of just trying to figure it out in your head. So I suggest that you, if you're not very good at doing stuff in your head, I suggest you get a sheet. I really do. So let's see here. I only have to do the little red circle problems, which is really nice. So let's see. So what you do, it took me a while to figure out how to do the tops of these things. I had to look it up. So figure out how many times the bottom number goes into the new bottom number. So 15 goes into 15 one time. And then you add it with the top number. So
1 plus 7 equals 8. So 8 goes on top. How many times does 3 go into 15? 5 times. 5 plus 1 is 6. Same thing up here because same fraction. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now you have a problem. At this point, that's when I turn on the calculator. And I go 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 11 equals 31. So that's the whole number. 31 is the whole number. And you can go ahead and put 15 because that doesn't change. So that's when I push clear. 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 equals 25 on top of 15. Now, of course, that's an uneven number. I am not quite sure how to fix these uneven numbers. My calculator is cool, so it has a fraction thing. So what I do is I push 25 and then 15 and then I push simp, which means simplify, and then equals, and it fixes it for me. So that's 32 and 2/3, because that's 1 2/3, and I add it to 31. Yep. So there's the answer to that problem. If you ever do a Becca, there's a specific problem, and my time's already up. Alright guys, thank you for watching She Believed. Please comment down below what I should do for my videos. Please like if you like what I'm doing, dislike if you don't think this is what I should be doing on YouTube. I know there's a lot of homeschoolers out there, so I just thought I'd put out the word. Thank you, for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!